Chemwatch is the world's foremost provider of chemicals management solutions, with services to manage your safety data sheets, risk assessments, regulatory obligations, and much more. We are the primary CMS provider across many global industries such as automotive, aerospace, heavy engineering, chemical distribution, and petrochemicals, including 5 of the top 10 major oil and gas organizations worldwide. With more than 6,000 clients globally, Chemwatch is the world's leading author of SDS, producing over 2,000 weekly using a proprietary SDS authoring software. Data is Chemwatch's key to success. We maintain the world's largest databases of regulatory data. With over 7,000 lists and 3 million chemicals, our database includes national inventories, regulations for transport, cosmetics, food, banned and restricted chemicals, and much more. SDS, over 140 million and counting, which are continually updated using our unique AI, GHS classifications, toxicity and ecotoxicity endpoint data, occupational, biological, and emergency exposure limits. Our data supports organizations all along the supply chain with unique solutions to incorporate bills of materials, product sustainability passports, and assessment of supply ESG rating. Chemwatch solutions offer total compliance and support for your chemicals, including complete chemicals management functionality, SDS inventory management and maintenance, risk assessment and chemical approvals procedures, assets management such as tracking, auditing, and ordering via barcode and RFID technology, chemical and domestic labels using our comprehensive and customizable template design suite, dashboard insights, view key user statistics and notifications, sustainability initiatives and lifecycle management, report generation for regulatory directives, product compliance, complete checks for your assets and articles to prevent costly market recalls, dangerous goods compliance, including storage, packaging, and shipping document generation. Documents and data are easily exchanged with third-party systems using our robust API methods. Chemwatch is the preferred partner of several ERP solutions, including SAP for chemical and regulatory data. Our chemicals management solutions are available in 49 languages and are compliant to over 100 countries. We offer a 24/7 emergency response service, which is accessible in over 170 languages, and all of our products and services are supported by multilingual e-learning modules. All solutions undergo strict quality control effort with a high degree of security and privacy. Chemwatch is proudly accredited to ISO 9001, ISO 27001, and SOC 2, which certify our commitment to data and cybersecurity. We safeguard our clients with high levels of insurance, including cyber, professional indemnity, and public liability. For over 30 years, Chemwatch has created unique, innovative solutions unparalleled by other providers. Our team consists of over 300 highly skilled chemists, data scientists, regulatory experts, and technical advisors, many with graduate and PhD qualifications. We've got representatives all over the globe, and we're always here to help. Visit chemwatch.net today to learn more about what Chemwatch can do for you.